Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Tony, this is Teddy. If you've been following the channel lately, you know I've been doing a lot of videos about solar. As you've probably guessed by the thumbnail and the title, I've got two folding solar panels. This is a 100 watt panel by Allpowers, and this is a 110 watt panel by Ecoflow. Now there's a few differences in these panels which I'll talk about further on in the video. One difference is price. This panel is 89 quid. This panel is 145 quid. And the Allpowers panel with a power station is 180 quid. Now this video is not sponsored by Allpowers or Ecoflow. However, I did do a sponsored video for Allpowers last month on that power station. I've still got an active 10% discount code, so I'll link that in the description of the video. I'll also link these solar panels on Amazon in the description. Don't have a discount code for that though. And the Ecoflow panel, I didn't pay for that either. I got this panel thanks to my subscribers. Because Ecoflow do a referral scheme, which I'll put a link in the description of the video. If you join Ecoflow through that link, you get 10% off your first purchase. I get 5% cash back. We both get eco points, and I got that as a reward because so many of you use my referral link to join Ecoflow. So I actually got this for free. However, I've looked at the price, they're 145. So the difference is then, obviously this panel is 110 watt, the Allpowers is 100. This panel is bifacial, the Allpowers isn't. I'll show them side by side in a second, but the Ecoflow panel has this cable attached with that connector there, which is XT60. So if you want to use it for a power station that's got a different kind of input, solar input, you need an adapter, which I'll show you in a minute. Whereas the Allpowers, as you'll see in a second, has got MC4 connectors. You pretty much connect any cable to that with any adapter you want. Right, I'm going to show you side by side now the panels. Now for context, I'm 5'9". Anyway, it's a bit hit and miss for solar today. Get excellent solar when the clouds move, and not so good when it's overcast. I'm going to wait for a window in the cloud, and set these up. Plug these into two separate power stations, and see what they're performing like up against each other. Is it worth the extra money for the Ecoflow bifacial panel or not? So we're going to find out. Now the Allpowers solar panel I'm going to test on the Allpowers power station, and the Ecoflow one I'm going to test on an AFERY P210 power station. Okay people, transparency is now the next day. So we've got no more sunshine yesterday, it rained. Anyway, so this is the AFERY P210 power station. Not sponsored by AFERY, however I did do a sponsored video last month. I've still got an active discount code. It's valid to the 30th of June, so I put that in the description of the video. It's 299 off the unit, or 471 off the unit with a 200 watt panel. Now this AFERY uses XT90, not XT60. The Ecoflow panel is an XT60 connector, and you can get adapters, so I've got an adapter. I'll link these in the description of the video. They're cheap on Amazon. I think it was like 5 or 6 quid for 4 different adapters. Now this Allpowers panel is really easy to set up. Just fold your arms out, point it, direction of the sun, boom. Easy. Whereas this one, the Ecoflow one, is a bit fiddly. Let's try and set it up on the concrete, and all that happens is these just slide back in. But hopefully it'll be better on the grass. Yeah, it does work a bit better on the grass. Anyway, I'm going to get the Ecoflow plugged in now, and then we're going to look at what kind of numbers we're generating. So sod's law, there's a cloud has just come over. Well, if this cloud's clear, so it's moving, and then we'll show you what conditions are like. We're going to take a look at what both these panels are generating. Okay, so power stations, panels, the sun is right there. Now there is a bit of hazy cloud, but the sun's pushing through. The Ecoflow panel there is pushing 96 watts. The Allpowers one is pushing 53 watts. Now for some reason my camera doesn't like focusing on the screens, but so 93 and 53, let's call that 83 because there's 10 watts difference in the panels. It's 83 and 53. So to me that's quite a big difference. So I would say efficiency on the Ecoflow panel is much better. But is it worth the extra 80 quid or 70 quid difference, whatever it is? That's up to you. If you did find that video useful, do give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.